best friend started as an engineer at the company and had to look for some jobs when I left.